हेलो गाइस, मैं हूं अंजलि पटेल एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल एजुकेशनल एंड मोटिवेशनल हब। सो फ्रेंड्स, हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यू फॉर द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ ईएसआईसी एंड एम्स नॉसेट 2021। फ्रेंड्स, इससे पहले कि हम आगे बढ़ें, जो भी मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन को दबा दें ताकि आपको वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन मिल सके। मैंने ये सारे एमसीक्यू प्रीवियस ईयर के क्वेश्चन पेपर से लिया हुआ है, तो आपके सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट जॉब की तैयारी करने के लिए बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाते हैं। फ्रेंड्स, ओबीजी में हम ये 6वां पार्ट डिस्कस कर रहे हैं। इससे पहले 5 वीडियो और बन चुके हैं, जा करके लिंक जरूर चेक करें, लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स पे मिल जाएगा। आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं इंटरनेटल केयर से एमसीक्यू। लेट्स गो फ्रेंड्स। एमसीक्यू फर्स्ट, लेबर इज डिवाइडेड इनटू हाउ मेनी स्टेजेस? Options 2, 3, 4 and 5. Answer is 4. Second, other name for normal labor is options eutosia, dystocia, eutonia, precipitated labor. Answer is eutosia. Third, false labor manifestation are as follows except options construction lessons with activity or rest, cervix progressively effaced and dilated, abdominal discomfort, contraction irregular. Answer is cervix progressively effaced and dilated. Fourth, all are the characteristics of true labor pain except options intensity and duration of contraction increase progressively, associated with SAW, progressively effacement and dilatation of cervix. Pain is felt more in front of abdomen and radiating to thigh. Answer is pain is felt more in the front of abdomen and radiating to thigh. Fifth, which one of the following pair regarding presentation and presenting part in women during labor is not correct? Options cephalic presentation, chin, face presentation, face, transverse presentation, shoulder, bridge presentation, buttocks. Answer is cephalic presentation, chin. 6. Station 1 during labor indicates that presenting part is options on the perineum, high in pelvis, slightly below the ischial spine, slightly above the ischial spine. Answer is slightly below the ischial spine. 7th, the safest position for a lady with cord prolapse in labor is options Fowler's, prone, supine, Trendelenburg. Answer is Trendelenburg. 8. Complete dilatation of cervix to birth of a baby is staged as options stage 1 of labor, stage 2 of labor, stage 3 of labor, stage 4 of labor. Answer is stage 2 of labor. 9th, the classical method used in bearing down an arm in bridge presentation is called options Ritgen's maneuver, Losset's maneuver, Cradis maneuver, Pinard's maneuver. Answer is Losset's maneuver. 10th, which one of the following lead to greenish discoloration of amniotic fluid? Options Laningo, Hydroamnios, Vernix, Meconium. Answer is Meconium. 11th, what will the attitude of head during face and brow presentation? Options flexion, complete extension, adduction, abduction. Answer is complete extension. 12th, the contraindication of induction of labor include the following except options placenta previa, fetal macrosomia, cord prolapse, cephalopelvic disproportion. Answer is fetal macrosomia. 13. A patient in the second stage of labor is given which of the following injection to improve uterine contraction? Options oxytocin, methiazine, Phenergan, diazepam. Answer is oxytocin. 14. premature suppression of the placenta from uterine wall before delivery is options abruptio placenta, placenta previa, fetal distress, cord prolapse. Answer is abruptio placenta. 15. Most common incision in episiotomy is options lateral, medial, J-shaped, mediolateral. Answer is mediolateral. 16. The maximum amount of blood loss during delivery is options 250 ml, 100 ml, 500 ml, 300 ml. Answer is 500 ml. 17. For what complications should a nurse monitor a patient when oxytocin infusion is used to induce labor? Options intense pain, uterine tetany, hypoglycemia, umbilical cord prolapse. Answer is uterine tetany. 18. Which among the following is the major side effect of oxytocin? Options diuresis, water retention, hyperstimulation of uterus, uterine atony. Answer is hyperstimulation of uterus. 19. The steroid used in preterm labor helps in options prevention of jaundice in newborn, prevention of PPH in mother, reduce respiratory distress syndrome, prevention of seizure. Answer is reduce respiratory distress syndrome. 20. Purpose of tocolytic agent is options enhance the preterm labor, to delay the preterm delivery, to ensure lung maturity in preterm delivery, enhance the uterine contraction. Answer is to delay the preterm delivery. Thank you friends for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.